This is one of the best Class Bs I have ever seen. This is the 27North VOG. Let's go check it out. We're gonna start on the inside and then we'll come talk about the outside. Stepping up into the inside of this one, the first thing you're gonna see is your kitchen. And this one is amazing. Now there's plenty of headroom in this unit. We've got a double induction cooktop here. We've got a power bar right over here. USB, USB-C, 2 power outlets. Then we have a set of drawers, 3 birch 5-piece drawers with a Formica, premium Formica on the outside, so you don't have to worry about any edges peeling or showing or anything like that. Proper plywood bases, nice marine grade latches, slow close drawer slides, and very robustly built. This one's extremely deep. Again, slow close. Same thing on the bottom. Tons of storage space in there. You can see down there we have under cabinet lighting. And this is your isotherm fridge. Stainless steel. Beautiful. Tons of space in there. Lots of room. And even a freezer. And there's a little pull-out rack here. So there's plenty of room for all of your things. And that is a very high quality fridge. Up here, we've got a microwave. Nothing special there. Part of the kitchen is your Max Air fan right there. Beside the fridge, we've got some storage underneath your sink. Also, they've kept all the plumbing, filtration systems, and everything off to the left. So you have a very usable space. You could mount a garbage can here. You could put a garbage can in there. There's a ton of room. Plus, every piece of plumbing, every valve is all labeled. It's designed to be serviceable because 27North is here to build RVs that last 3 generations. That is their goal, and they're doing a great job. They're using residential electrical. They're using automotive 12-volt electrical, all very high quality stuff. We've got 30 gallons of fresh water in here, which is 10 more than the industry average for a Class B. Nice deep sink with the drain here, the drying rack, and same on the bottom. And with that 30-gallon freshwater tank, there is 20 gallons of gray water capacity. Got really amazing automotive windows, very highly tinted, with the blinds for added insulation and privacy. Now all of the walls in here and the roof are aluminum. There are no organics in the floor, in the walls, or in the roof. You've got a plywood countertop. This piece here is for when you make the dinette into a bed, and then this one over here goes over the sink as kind of a cutting board or extra counter space. Up above your kitchen, we've got your microwave and a bunch of storage. We've got some more power there for the microwave. You can see the aluminum back there, and then all this birch, very luxuriously finished cabinetry. And then they didn't put doors on there, which I think is actually quite nice. Some people love it, some people hate it. I really don't mind it. And they're a double layer, so these nets, you can put stuff inside the net and then also in the cabinet, and the net will hold both. But if you wanted cabinet doors on these, that is something that you could work with 27North on. That's something that is possible. Now up above the kitchen here, we've got a fantastic fan. We also have one of the wet sound speakers. There's another one over there, and then some outside as well. It's a really incredible sounding sound system. What a bunch of words that was. Now, like I said, the roof is aluminum. We've got these dimmable LED lights up there, and that aluminum just means that it's not going to hold on to any smells. You're not going to get water damaged or vapor damaged, like condensation damage, none of that. It's built to last for a long time. And all those panels are custom cut in-house. They have a custom CNC machine, which you'll see if you watch the factory tour that I did with the founder and CEO, Pavel Bosovic. Down here, we've got some storage right off to the left when you walk in the door. Also in the entryway, we have this bug screen so that you can open your door, close the bug screen, and let airflow come through the unit. Over here we have your dinette, very premium feeling cushions, lots of space, dual plywood lagoon tables that go down as part of the dinette to bed conversion. You can swivel these, you can move them, you can point them wherever you want so that you can use this space exactly how you imagine it, or you can just take the table off. It's really quick and really easy. Then underneath the left-hand side, we're gonna have easy access to your Victron system. Now you can get it with the Victron. Standard is going to be with the EcoFlow. EcoFlow is fantastic. Victron is also great. So it's Victron kind of components, and then Lithionics batteries. So you've got a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter right here. And as you can see, all of this has been run really, really well. It's all designed to be serviceable, accessible, and that's clear in the choice to add a strap here and the hydraulics. Normally, when you're going through your RV, you're looking for electronic systems. It's hidden behind, you know, screws and panels, or you have to remove appliances to get to it. And that is not what 27 North is doing. They want to build something that they can stand behind. And that's why they're willing to show you this. They want you to see this. It's made to be lifted up. And the fit and finish around here is incredible. Also, these cushions are extremely heavy. They're so nice though. And it's a similar situation on this side where we have all of your plumbing. Now, like I said, everything is labeled, even the obvious things like hot and cold. Really fantastic job with all of the plumbing. And even your freshwater tank sensor is just a few Phillips head screws. It's easy to swap out. And over here, we've got really easy access to your pump, shutoffs all over the place. There are shutoffs wherever you might need them. This is a standard water heater. However, you can option the Truma Combi system. So instead of getting the diesel heater that's up there, you can get the Truma Combi that just goes back here, and that replaces the diesel heater that's installed up underneath the driver's seat. I actually meant the passenger seat. So that's an idea of just how well everything is done, because 27 North is building a product that they can truly stand behind. Let's talk about the floor a little bit more. This is all marine grade. There's no organics in the floor. So this is a thick kind of rubberized marine grade flooring over a very high density foam that's designed to not get mushy. It doesn't change over time. Doesn't absorb water, nothing like that. Customers have spilled coffee or water, things like that. Nothing gets damaged because it's designed to be marine grade. They were very inspired by boats, the marine space, aerospace, in designing something that's truly built to last. This here is your everything panel. We've got the Victron system here. In here you can see your current battery charge, you can see what the draws are, and then on your phone you can see a lot more, like where the draws are and label them and things like that. We've got your awning control here, gray tank sensor, fresh tank sensor. Notice how they're not on just a cheap little panel, the same one that every other RV manufacturer is using. Then we've got the controls for your lights that are dimmable, so you just gently press and hold and they become dimmed. Then we've got under cabinet lighting that is also dimmable, and when you dim those, it dims the lower ones as well. Also here we have the controls for your water pump, your exterior lights, your wet sounds radio with Sirius XM and Bluetooth and all of that. It's a very good sound system. You can even open this cabinet where you've got, that's the plug for the Starlink system. Everything is rolled up very nicely. There's a lot of wiring going on back here, and it is not a rat's nest. This is just a fantastic job. And they make it accessible, which once again, just goes to show. They aren't here to hide anything. They put everything on show. Then we've got a TV back here, some power. On the other side, we've got a fan with 2 modes, just to help some air move around in here. It's really quite nice. Then a closet back here with a mirror. That's really nice. Just a nice little addition. You could do that yourself later, but they did it for you. Really nicely finished. We've got the birch back there. We've got this nice wooden rod. Tons of space in there. It's a very big cabinet with, I guess, some shoe storage down underneath or something like that, whatever you want to put down there. And they even carried the under cabinet lighting through there. And because it's a soft close, it takes a minute to close unless you push on it. Also, I forgot to mention, we have air conditioning right in the roof here. Plenty enough to keep this thing cool on even the hottest days. And part of that Victron energy system is 930 amp hours of Lithionics lithium batteries and a whole whack load of solar up on the roof to make sure that you stay charged. But your batteries will charge from the engine running and from your smart plug as well. So in the back here, we have a shower tub. We've got a cedar pedestal for the toilet, so you get that nice sauna smell when you're in the shower. Then we've got your cassette toilet here. We've got your shower curtain here to keep the water inside. Then you've got a plastic shower curtain that wraps all the way around. And it is pretty tight in here, I'm not gonna lie. So really, honestly, a lot of the time, I would imagine you're going to be somewhere secluded. You're just going to shower with this thing open. I don't know if 27 North would endorse that, but I don't see why not. I mean, I guess you have sort of a custom fabric liner here, but it feels like there's nothing for water to get into there. So that is a look at your shower. And then to the right, we have a garage, also aluminum roofed, aluminum wall panels. We've got power in here for charging your e-bikes, things like that. Certain e-bikes, you can fit 2 in here. Some of them, just the 1, and then 1 regular bike, or you can fit 2 regular mountain bikes in here. Okay. Let me step up in here. I mean, this is really amazing. There's a lot of space. You can fit 1, 2 of me, like 8 of me in here. Also, like I said, the same aluminum wall panels and roof panels flow throughout here. There's a 3M Thinsulate insulation on the other side. And then 27 North does custom removable moldings that screw right into the OEM holes from Mercedes. So all of the moldings around the roof and the sidewalls around the back here can be removed. If you need to service something, remove a taillight, whatever. And since we're back here, let's start our tour of the outside. Up top, we've got your RC lights, 1 for the rear. You can see a little sneak peek of the roof rack there. We've got your backup camera and your rear view mirror camera. We've got these custom poly panels here. On the other side of that is insulation, and they even pull out the little bits and pieces of the doors. Like they pull this out and they pack the whole inside of the door with insulation, because then you don't get the draft through the little latch there. So they really do a great job of insulating. One last thing in here, we do have a 12-volt plug, and we've got your gray tank drain right there. Because it is not a manual drain, it is electronic. Now as I close this very heavy door, gently, you can see we've got a spare tire on the back, and then we have a rack. You can put a lot of stuff on there. Gas cans, surfboards, bikes, all sorts of things there. We also have a ladder, so you have a step right here, a step there, and a ladder up to the roof. And let me show you what the roof looks like. Up on the roof, we've got 3 solar panels on this roof rack, another RC light right here. So you've got lighting all the way around for those sticky situations, or when you're out camping by yourself in the middle of nowhere and you need a lot of light. And I do have to say, this ladder is extremely high quality. Along the back here, we have the removed adventure skinned plastics. So they take all of the OEM plastics off and they coat them in adventure skin so that you're protected against, scratches, branches, rocks, things like that. And then they also do their own paint in-house. We've got sensors that they carry out through any aftermarket bumpers, or in this case, the recoated bumpers. We've got a hitch here so you can tow some stuff. And then over on this side, we do have a solar on the side plug. Let me close the door and show you how beautiful this thing is. And you do not have to close the door manually, it does it on its own. But look at this thing. It really just looks like a van. It does not look like an RV. It looks like something you're going overlanding in or off-roading in. It is beautiful. Up at the front, we've got adventure skin all the way along the lower front there. We've got the Light Travelers front bumper here. Fantastic light bar, and you can kind of change the configuration. We've got a couple light pods on the sides and a giant light bar up top, which I have now turned on for you to see. You're going to be able to see wherever you're going, that's for sure. Then we've got this bumper here with the sensors, the parking sensors that they carried out. We've got upgraded wheels and tires, and then this one isn't done yet, but they upgrade the suspension. You've got a couple different options to choose from to make this your own van. Now this one is currently available for sale. If you're interested, I don't know if it will still be by the time this video goes up, because 27 North is moving vans. We've got this aftermarket side step to get up into the cab, which I'll show you at the very end of the video. Then we've got your smart plug over here, your potable water and city water connection. Over here, we've got your gray tank drain, and they do have a heat pad on the tank. So this one is set up pretty well for colder weather. However, you can get it upgraded, so they build the whole tank into an enclosed box, including the valve, so you don't have to worry about the valve freezing up. And then here is the access for your cassette toilet, which has this nice insulated panel here. Easy access to the cassette. You pull it out, it's got wheels. You can take it where you need to take it to dump it out. Over here we have 2 exterior speakers, as well as your awning and another light on the side. And we have an extended side step for getting into the back door, of course. Now let's talk about the cab. Easy step up, tons of storage in the door. I mean, this is a Sprinter. If you guys are looking at reviews, you've probably seen a lot of Sprinters. We've got custom seats here They're really beautiful, pleated leather. Still have the Mercedes leg extensions, of course, lumbar support, and the seats swivel. So both the passenger seat and the driver's seat swivel. So if you have company or you don't want to sit, you know, directly next to each other for whatever reason, you can swivel both seats around. You can fit a lot of people in here. And man, I just can't get over how nice this white contrast stitching is with the pleated seat. I mean, let me sit in this thing. Yeah, that is a comfy seat. In the cab area, this is Mercedes. It's pretty standard. We've got the new M-Bucks. So we've got Bluetooth and all the important stuff right in there. Vehicle information, like your lane keep assist, which obviously isn't working because the vehicle is not on. New steering wheel. I love the redesign. It looks kind of like a Stingray or a Bat or something, you know what I mean? Over here, we've got your smart cruise options with front collision assist and parking sensors and all the important stuff so that you're safe on the road. This unit also has 360-degree cameras. So it's got cameras in the mirrors, all of that, so you can see all the way around it. And that's really, really handy for navigating tight spaces and tight spots and just being able to see everything around you. Then down here, we've got all the switches for your lights. That's your upper light, your ditch lights, and then your lower light bar. Here we have vehicle dimensions. So this one is on the longer wheelbase. You can get them on the shorter wheelbase as well. They do both the 170 and the 144s. Anyways, the Sprinter is a really fantastic place to be. Very comfortable. We've got memory seating. You've got heated seating to make sure that you're comfortable on a long drive. So all things said and done, I've looked at a lot of Class Bs, a lot of vans, and just seeing the lack of organics in here, the high quality, the attention to detail. This is a beautiful van and a great place to spend your summers and even winters if you so desire. So that is the VOG from 27 North. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out my tour of the TR27 and the factory tour on my YouTube channel. And if you guys are interested in anything from 27 North, email's on the screen or reach out below and I'd be happy to help you with 27 North. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I will see you next time.